Okay, back after the little intermission. Got the keyways in.
Put the lube in there. You know. That's why I pre-lube the stuff before I put it together. It makes it easier. This filthy rag around there for.
Oh, knock it off with the rag. That was a clean rag.
Oh, geez, I feel that on my shoulder. Why does that make my shoulder hurt? Okay, lubricate all your parts. The gasket's already sitting there. Goes in there nice and easy. Right to there. Got a gear here. Has to drop in like that. It's hard to do when you got all this oil pump shit already in there, but gear does not want to go in the shaft. There it goes. Okay. Got my flashlight.
Put it right back where it was.
The camera, can't see. Figure out where my keyway is at. It's up there someplace. Couple teeth off. So gravity's not helping me in this situation.
Hey, baby. Ah.
Yeah. Hate doing oil pump gears on here. Makes it really hard.
All right. Well, you did good. Nice job. Proud of you. Minus gas and minus what you'll spend on coils and juice, but no, that's not bad at all. Okay, back at it. Ooh, that thing got on nice and tight, didn't it? Get some of these gears out of the way.
That's how you do it.
Lets that lower oil pump drive gear be installed a little bit easier.
A lot easier.
So you take all this stuff back out and what? Put that gear back on the oil pump.
Now you can move the gear where you need to be. Now how come this gear is not going in? See a problem over here.
Did we lose a keyway?
Probably. You said it was in there, but the shaft is sticking way out. It's supposed to be recessed in the hole.
It was in. What happened?
Key fell out of the back one that you said was still engaged, but it's not.
Don't blame that shit on me. It was engaged.
Well, it ain't engaged anymore.
No, it is not. Look, it is. It was.
No, there's no key. It's not engaged, or you got something else wrong. You got the wrong clip in there. I don't know what's going on. Something ain't right. You got the gear on backwards. Flat side, dish side. I suppose I did that too, right? Oh, look at that. It goes in there correctly now. Whose fault was that?
I looked at it twice.
No talking. He quit talking.
Yeah. Make me feel bad. I know how it goes.
So now I jump in the middle of a project, I gotta take over. I didn't catch it because I didn't do that half.
I swear to God I had it right.
Well, you did, if you're backwards. Now it's correct. See? So now to go all the way to the steering, well, let's do what we gotta do on that side. Okay. Guess what we gotta do now. Okay, we gotta find the missing key. Get some tools out and we get the tools I like. Case out of the way. Okay, where's the missing key at?
Right there.
There it is.
There it isn't.
Okay. Now that gear's in the way right now. It's probably going to stay in the way too, I bet. So the best thing to do is get it out of the way. I'll go ahead and pull it out to get it out of the way. Now it's out of the way. Okay. I like how the oil pump sits like that height. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
You can put the keyway straight up and down. It makes it a lot easier to figure out where you're supposed to be. And you got to make sure that the shaft's inside the gear, not on the edge of the gear like a Harley pump is. See, it felt like a Harley pump, but it's not a Harley pump. That's why it's wrong. Okay, where's our...
There's chamfered side on that gear. Is there a square side and a chamfered side?
Probably the same on both. Okay, now the key to get these to going easy, because the pliers don't really hold real good, is you have your screwdriver right behind you there to catch it. Put it in there correctly, see? And the big problem is there's no room to put the tools in there to hold it on the back side, like this, while you're trying to put this gear in here. And maybe the one that has a slot in it.
Oh, that's it. You have the
There's
right.
a slot right there.
And
Chamfered.
they are both chamfered.
Chamfered, which makes sense because why would they make it not? Now that I can see you got this thing like this. See, I can hold it. Could have a delicate touch though. But see, the oil pump's not staying put because it's sliding. It's all right. Okay, where's my keyway? The keyway was straight with the tooth. It's that tooth right there. Oh, key went up. So you got to get the spot where you can just barely touch it, but it was fighting and it kept shoving it in as I was going. It needs more of a hook to that thing to make it work. Okay, now this one's recessed like it's supposed to be. Thumb hurts. That one's all the way in flush. We know it's in there good. We got that one there like that. See, now we're good to go. Okay, now we got to rotate this at 90 degrees. Because I like this thing right pointing at me when it's installed. Hold your finger on the small shaft. I got my finger on the shaft back here holding it. See that, with all that shit gone, so you can put the gear on easily. Boom. Now see how the shaft sticks through like it's supposed to? What a difference.